Hi everybody. So here I have the details of the data set that I created using my own student number or employee number. And you can see that there's a lot of information here. So I just wanted to go through it with you very briefly to get you started. So you can see over here we've got our acquisition data. So we've got the acquisition date, the purchase price, the percent owned, and then we've got information about the book value and the fair value and the remaining life of the sub that we acquired. So you really need to make sure that you're looking through this information carefully. Another really important thing to note is 50% of the acquisition accumulated depreciation relates to the building, and 50% of the acquisition accumulated depreciation relates to the equipment. You'll notice here that it's on one line item. Your number is going to look different than mine because of course this is a unique project driven by your unique student number. But whatever your number is here, 50% of this relates to the building, 50% of it relates to the equipment. Then next to it you will see trial balance data. So you can see that we've got our parent and our sub year one trial balance information. You're going to use this information to create a consolidated financial statement. You are then going to move on to year two, and here's your year two trial balance data for both the parent and the subsidiary. You're going to create consolidated financial statements for year two. You are then going to move on to year three. Here's the financial data, trial balance data for year three for the parent and the sub. You're going to create a consolidated financial statement for year three as well. Now, you've got your tax rates down at the bottom. Now, that might seem easy. We're going to keep scrolling over, and you can see that we've got our intercompany information. So you need to be accounting for this intercompany information for each year, years 1, 2, and year 3. So you can go ahead, you can read and see when there is the general business activities during the year, and then intercompany transactions. So important to note that there is an intercompany note, and that note was issued on January 1st, year 1. So I just wanted to make sure that it's not written anywhere, so I'm detailing it here. There is an intercompany note in this project, and that note is issued on January 1st of year 1. If you don't like looking at the information all together on this copied data set, you can also go to the individual tabs here, and you can see it detailed. If you go to these individual tabs, you are not going to be able to copy and paste because it is locked down due to the macros in the workbook. You can see the trial balance data. You can see solely the intercompany information. If you are wanting to copy and paste the information into your own workbook, you're going to need to go to this copy data set tab. And this is going to allow you to be able to copy and paste it into another workbook if you so desire. So that should get you off and get you running. Get started on your consolidation, 3-year consolidation project.